Financials have been one of the leaders in the market this year, and Action Alerts Plus has been no stranger. They recently added Morgan Stanley to the portfolio, and this stock has had some momentum given its transition to be more exposed to the wealth management business. Now, Stephanie, that's just one of the things that's going to get the stock going. What else is exciting about it?
Yeah, I think that the company has done a really good job shedding some of its legacy businesses and restructuring some of its legacy businesses. So, FIC, for example, fixed income, commodities, currencies, they've really done a good job in terms of fixing their book, de-risking, if you will. But they've also taken a lot out of the cost structure from the company in general. And as you mentioned, the Solomon Smith Barney acquisition, which is now called Morgan Stanley Smith Barney, that actually, I think, provides a lot of upside because they can reduce costs, integrate, and then actually grow. And I think their returns are poised to work higher as a result.
Okay, now the stock's up 42% so far this year. The multiple has expanded. How high does the stock go?
Right, so what we did was we actually sold some Wells Fargo and we've been reducing our exposure there just because of the headwinds in the mortgage business. We still like Wells Fargo, but just made it a smaller position. In terms of, we took that money, put it into Morgan Stanley, because yeah, it's up a lot, but we do think that the returns are so depressed at this point. Their ROE is at 6% versus Goldman Sachs at 11%, right? And some of the higher quality banks, like a JP Morgan, also in the double digits. So it was our preference to reduce the housing-related banks and more focus on capital markets and M&A. And I think you are seeing M&A pick up, and that's the next driver, along with this ROE expansion.
Okay, well, there you have it. As far as the financials are concerned, you should reduce exposure to the housing sector and increase it to the investment banking and capital market sectors.